I'm back with another simple worksheet. What comes between? So this will increase the kids counting numbers, and they will be thorough in what comes before, after, and between the middle numbers. So let's start. The first question is, what comes between 8 and 10? The sequence is 8, 9, 10. So the between middle number is 9. We need to write 9 here. Up to number 10, they can draw a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 8 and 10, the middle number is 9. What comes between 14 and 16? 15. What comes between 27 and 29? 28. What comes between 36 and 38? 37. What comes between 42 and 44? 43. What comes between 55 and 57? 56. What comes between 60 and 62? 61. So we need to give them n number of worksheets so that they know before, after, and middle numbers. This will increase their counting speed. Thank you.